represent the CECs, the CEOs, the Public Service Board, Municipal Board of Kisii, and the Municipal Board of Ogembo, members who are here, the Honorable Judges who have stood over this occasion here. We want again to welcome all the public here who have witnessed this occasion. Your Excellency, for a long time we have been calling Mr. Elijah Bebo the DG designate, but today we realize that he is our Deputy Governor. I know it has been a long journey. I know that the enemies have fought you, but at the end of the day, we are here to celebrate this occasion's moment. We thank you for the effort you've done. We thank you for the patience and the resiliency that you have, and that is why we are here today. I don't want this to go because the happy moments are here with us, Your Excellency, and since our Deputy Governor has just been sworn in, allow me now, so that we capture the happy moment, to bring in our new DG to give his few remarks, and then he will also introduce the guests who are here. Karibu, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor.